guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna play Animal Hospital, and this is one of my friends, Rebecca, playing with us today, and Saniya, my sister, of course. Rebecca, introduce yourself.
Air. Hi.
Okay, let's not do that, bro. Why is Ronaldo on my screen? Go get down. Revolver. Oh, coffee. Oh.
Revolver. Oh, coffee.
Guys, so we're gonna start
Inspect. This
I
guy.
mean, look at this guy over here.
Boom shakalaka,
Okay,
boom shakalaka, boom.
What room?
Room 2, I think.
Okay.
No, room 2.
I'm inside the room.
Wow.
You help me. Or you, Sanya, or you, Jian.
Sanya's gonna help you. I'm the receptionist.
Okay.
Yar.
Sanya, she do here at the medicine. You see
The medicine.
the medicine.
To read remaining patients.
Can you keep quiet now?
I'm the lead. I'm sorry. You can speak.
Of course we can.
But not that
got
loud.
locked in the
Not that loud.
Okay, that's it for the eye.
Eye drops. Perfect.
Okay.
Sir, I applied her.
It's you, me, you
The doctor. No.
No, the doctor.
The doctor, and I have 6, 7 sanity.
But
6,
yeah,
7.
you have to move around also.
Yeah.
So that will be so boring.
Hey, doctor, you know you're evil, Dumbo.
You're the one who brought all the animals, you know that?
Okay.
You took the coffee, Jen, but I wanted the coffee. I have 69 sanity right now.
I have only 28. Some advice.
Sanya.
No! I'll fix up the
Sanya.
shutters and
Sanya.
security cameras.
You now stay here in the camera. Okay?
Okay.
Why the shutters?
Jian, you stay here.
In the reception, bro.
Yeah, in the reception.
Yes, I'm the best employee.
And
Anomaly.
me stay here. Where is the
Sahur.
camera for?
Okay. Sanya, get out.
I put it open.
Bye. Have a great time. Chicken patient.
Okay, hey girl.
Anomali Mangarika Sahur. Tung Sahur. Anomali Mangarika Sahur.
Shut up.
Bro is evil. Bro is evil.
He's not.
Look. Where is he?
Close. Hi. See you tomorrow.
See you never again. Bye, Skinwalker.
What is this box?
Oh, the person who's coming is not evil. He's not evil.
What is this guy?
Close the door. Birthday fall.
Do you know why they... Jan, you're not making this interesting.
Okay, fine, girl.
Is good this? In what room?
Okay, wait, I'm gonna
Fine.
check. Print the badge. Take the badge. Put the badge.
What room?
Room 2. Room 2002.
Okay, this time I'm gonna do this, then you bring
Sanya.
the...
No. You
Oh, Animali Mangarika Sahur.
Why?
No,
You
you see
see
the cameras. She's saying.
I'm not...
No,
I'll
Rebecca.
do another customer then if you don't know. Oh, this is an anomaly for sure.
Bruh. She's lagging all the game.
But he's not an anomaly.
He is. Check the cameras.
He's not.
How do you know? Look at his eyes.
But everyone is like that, bro.
No, he's not. He's not. I know he's not.
He's okay, bro.
His eyes are weird though.
Okay.
No! Jan.
Say me why.
If he's evil, it's your fault, Sanya.
Sure. Rebecca is mine. Don't deal another customer.
Why?
It's mine.
Yeah, it's Sanya's.
Let's see. One. Okay. My rooms is this.
I'm here for my appointment.
My
At
room
6.
is 1 and 3.
Mine is 6 at 8.
6 until 8.
Yeah. Ew.
Clean it up, clean it up, cleaner, cleaner. Clean it up, clean it up, cleaner,
I'm
cleaner.
not the cleaner.
And me, I'm not the clean.
And by the way, guys, we only need to record with 15 minutes. That's the time because, or else,
Jan, you are the cleaning.
I'm not the cleaning. I'm the receptionist.
Bro, you clean. This.
Ew. Oh, it's so yummy, bro. Ew, yummy.
Bro.
Yummy, yummy. Shut the door.
Okay, Sanya. This at 1 and 5 is your rooms.
Yeah.
And me, for now, me I stay in the camera because
It's closed.
it's closed there, and I stay here with Gian.
Shut up!
But Sanya, I wanted to tell you all something. We only need to record for 15 minutes because I don't have YouTube Premium. If I don't record for 15 minutes, it will be banned, the video.
Okay.
So we will only need to record until like 14 minutes, like that. Then we can make a part 2 straight after. Okay, Sanya?
We don't need a part 2 actually.
Yeah. She don't need. Me stay here. Look at me.
Bro, Rebecca, when you get back Minecraft, let's do one block video. A full-on series.
She see you at the video.
Oh, hello. Dun, 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 dun.
Sanya,
Dun, 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 dun.
go in the room. Go in the room, Sanya. Go.
Treat remaining patients.
Because
I need.
party.
Oh no, that's an anomaly, bro. That's an anomaly, bro.
Yeah.
Close the door, bro. Close the door. Bye, anomaly.
Sanya, because you're. Bro, no, bring it that one.
Bro, do the customer quickly, bro.
Is Sanya. Gian,
What?
go now in the reception.
No, bro, there's no one there. I'm doing this customer real quick. Herbs.
Okay. The doctor.
You see, we just needed to do this customer. Evil doctor. Stupid. Very, very bad. £1 fish. Very, very bad. £1 fish.
Yes, he's open mine.
Yes, it's open mine.
Okay, now this is mine.
Yeah.
Sparkle paws. Good girl.
Is right, Jian. Before, because she not nothing. Where did she go?
I'm checking. Take the badge. Put the badge. Room 5.
5 is mine.
Oh yeah, it's yours. Me, I have 6.
Look.
No, don't look it up, okay?
50%
Just-
faster DNA.
Just you see the
Yeah.
for
Guys, I upgraded something. Bro, there's someone there. Oh, Animali Mangarika Sahur. Tung 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 sahur. Animali Mangarika Sahur. Tung tung
You know
tung
I thought
sahur.
we'd be watching this.
Yeah, I know.
okay, Jian, open.
Okay, open yourself, bro.
Okay, I open myself. Hi, Sanya.
Hi.
You see me?
Yeah.
Take,
Don't look up.
inspect. Did you know also Nico is going to watch this video?
Shut up.
In what room?
In room 7.
Yeah, it's mine.
7, 7.
Yeah, I love this.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
I love this.
Oh, they're different rooms.
Yeah.
Do that.
Look at
Hello,
this
mouse.
one. Look at this.
They have cool.
Yeah, I bring it that way.
Bro, this mouse is so cute. Guys, only 2 more minutes left, then we end the video.
What?
2 more minutes left until we end the
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this small mouse.
It's so cute.
No. Okay.
Room 2, room 2. Can I do this, Sanya?
What are you doing?
Yeah. I save.
Yeah.
I
Because
wanna
you
see.
have one problem in the heart. Wait, no?
I start forms, take picture, inspect. She's good, she's good.
Okay. Then we
Stop,
fix and
I got an anomaly. Yeah.
Is it killing you?
Yeah.
Where?
Here. Look.
Wait.
Ah.
Which room? Huh?
The reception. Guys, leave this coffee for me. This.
Bro,
I got an anomaly.
I don't.
But me, I'm 18. At least you're.
Okay, guys, we need to end the video. Guys, say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, all. See you all. Peace.